Okay, we got round 2 here, Aztec Ruins. So Jenna is gonna do her Junior Ranger. So you gotta draw some pictures of what's in the Grand Kiva, right?
Yes, but I know what it looks like.
Or the Great Kiva.
Yes, but we don't know what it looks like. We are going to Kiva and then they draw it.
Yeah, we're gonna go inside. I see it.
Where?
So we've been to a bunch of Kivas. We went to like Casa Rinconada yesterday. So this Great Kiva is like restored to look like what they looked like back in the day. So let's go check it out. Yeah. Look at this. This is really cool. This place is so cool. Wait, so should we see if this... Does this go anywhere? Oh no. Oh look, so this goes outside. And this here looks inside. Wow. This is so cool. Hey! This was not made for men that are 6'1". Oh. Okay, we're gonna go up these stairs while I'm listening to a little tour, audio tour. It's pretty sweet. Let's go. Okay, chévere. Okay. Ah, sí, sí. Cool. Oh, this has all been like restored. This is so dang cool. One. Two. No, keep going. 3. I guess that one's 7. I guess that entrance, that'd be 8. I count that entrance, it's not all aligned. Oh, see, look at that. You can see all the way to the other side.